everybody. I disappeared for a bit, not gonna lie. Had to log out for a bit, man. You know what I mean? Touch some grass, maybe reset my brain. I felt like I lost some brain cells. I disappeared without letting anybody know. That's true. I took a break, but now I'm back. Cracked. Skill issue? Not anymore, man. Not anymore. Trust me. While I was gone, I was training in the shadow. And Hatrck is back, boy. The lobby ain't really ready for that shit, man. I'm telling you, from a brother to a brother, from a hood to a hood, from a block to a block, man. I left for a bit, but the grind never stopped. I disappeared like your Wi-Fi signal, but right now I'm back stronger. Man, they said I'd fall off. To be honest, I just had to install live for a minute, but I re-downloaded the update. New game, same beat, FC26. I'm built for this. And to be honest, I haven't touched the game in a minute, but watch me still cook. I made this video 2 parts. The second part, I did all the SPCs that I could, so we can open them together and then see what I got. You know what I mean? I swear to God, bro, I'm so excited. I got like so many packs. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. As usual, man, look what we're gonna do. We're gonna open the smallest pack first, and then we're gonna go evolve to the next pack.
Ooh, let's get rid of this pack first. Yes. Oh my God, bro, that's a shitty ass pack.
That's a shitty ass pack, man. What the fuck is this, man? Oh my God, bro. Okay.
That one. Shitty ass pack, man. What the fuck is this, man? Shitty ass pack, bro.
Fuck this, man. Ay, 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 man. Okay. Fuck it, 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 fuck it. Let's open that one as well. Let's get it. Oh! Who the fuck is that motherfucker, bro? Ay, ay, ay. I don't know them, bro. I don't know them, man. First, I want to see how much he cost. I want to... Oh! Oh! What the fuck? What the fuck? How much does it cost? How much... Should I
put him for 40,000? Should I put him 40,000 or 50,000? I don't even know, bro. I'm gonna be honest with you. Look, so, I'm gonna put him for 40,000. I'm gonna put him for 40,000. Know what I mean? 40,000. I think 40,000 is enough for this motherfucker. I don't know. Okay, let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that. Okay. I'm gonna put him for like 1 day to see if he can sell faster, bro. Okay.
Move all these motherfucking bro. Quick, sell them. Okay. That's a good pack, bro. That's a good pack right there. That's a good pack right there. I ain't gonna use this motherfucker either way. Okay. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, okay. Ay, ay, ay. Mixed player pack. I want to open that shit. Okay, let's go.
Let's go. CV, Brazilian, she's a I don't know what the fuck is she, bro, but what's this? That's an ass. Bro, what the fuck is that, bro? What the fuck is that, man? Bro, you know what? Fuck these bitches, bro. I don't need the money for them bitches, bro.
Fuck them, bro. Actually, what the fuck was that? What kind of pack was that, bro? Like, what the fuck? Oh my God, man.
Okay, look. I'm gonna go for that one. Ay, shit. Bro, what the fuck? Quick sell.
Okay, wait, chill. Ay. Okay. Ay. Okay, I'm gonna open the premium gold pack. We'll see. I want to see what can I get out of this shit.
CDM, Italy. Okay, Juventus. Who the fuck is that? Locatelli. I got Locatelli, bro. What the fuck? Sick Locatelli, bro. Locatelli. Let me see. Ay. Okay, I'm gonna move them to... Actually, yeah, I'm gonna move them to the club. Fuck that.
I don't want to quick sell anything right now, bro, because I'm scared that if something worse a lot, bro, then I'm wasting my money. You know what I mean? Okay, I'm gonna open that one first. Okay, let's go.
Let's go for that shit. CDM. But I don't know who the fuck is that. Bro, why the fuck would I got this, bro? Why the fuck would I got bro? Ay, shit, 85? Wait, 85? Okay. I mean, not bad. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna sell these motherfuckers. Quick sell BD. I don't need him. But I don't, ay. Okay, wait. I don't need him. I need these bitches.
We'll see. Okay. Chill. Oy. Okay. Premium. Ay. I'm gonna open that one.
Fuck it. Striker, Italy, Chicago, Juventus. Who the fuck is that, man? Bro, why the fuck would I get these kind of shitty players, bro? What the fuck?
Ay, bro. Honestly, like, yeah. Let's go.
Put that one first. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's a good pack. That's a good pack right there. That's a good fucking pack right there. That's a good pack right there, bro. Okay, not bad. Okay,
that's a good pack. Okay, good. Chill. We got a good motherfucker, bro. I don't know his name, but at least we got some shit, bro. Know what I mean? Aye. Okay. I'm gonna go with the mega pack. Oh, actually, I'm gonna leave that. I'm gonna leave that at the end. Fuck it. I'm gonna leave it at the end, bro.
CM, Sweden. I don't know who the fuck is that. Took hand play. Who the fuck is that? Oh,
Shitty ass player, bro. Shitty ass player, man. Why am I not getting good players, bro? Like, fuck this shit, man.
Aye. Oh my god. Nah, let's go with that one. I'm gonna quick set the whole time.
I'm gonna quick set the whole time. Fuck that. Or honestly, fuck it. I'm gonna add it to my SPCs, bro.
Yeah, I can do a good species with these motherfuckers. Fuck it. Okay. Let's go to the next. Oh, I don't have them. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna open that one first. Fuck it. Let's go. City M. France. Okay. I don't know who the fuck is that.
What the fuck is... Fuck, man!
Fuck it. CV. Okay, Spain. La Liga. Real Madrid. Who the fuck is that?
Oh my god. Bro, what the fuck is that, bro? What the fuck is that, man? Bro, I was hoping from an 82 pack, at least I got an 82 plus, bro. What the fuck is this?
Shit, bro. CDM. Whatever. Don't tell me.
Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Oh. I don't need this motherfucker, bro. I don't need this guy, bro. I'm looking for a walkout at least from this pack, bro. Ah! Oh! Let's see. Oh, okay, right back. Okay. Who the fuck is that, bro? Don't tell me I have it. Don't tell me I have it. Please don't tell me I have it. Please. Ah, Bellingham! I got excited for no reason. I swear to God, I got excited for no... And I forgot that Bellingham doesn't play fucking right back, bro. Fuck this, man. Another walkout. Okay, wait. Chill. Goalkeeper. Oh, okay, yeah. Nice. Nice, yeah. That's a nice one. Nice. McGinnon. No, I got McGinnon, bro. What the fuck? Okay. Ooh, I'm hoping. Oh my god, I'm hoping for a double walkout, bro. I'm hoping from this pack a double walkout. Fuck it. What the fuck? What the fuck, bro? Are you fucking kidding me, bro? Are you fucking kidding me? Honestly, like, what the fuck is this? What the fuck is this disgusting ass pack, bro? Bro, what the fuck? Okay, fuck that. Let's go to the meeting game straight up, bro. Fuck that. Fuck it. Oh my god, bro. Fuck it. Okay, fuck this bitch. Okay, fuck that bitch as well. Fuck this bitch, bro. Fuck this bitch as well. Okay. Yeah. We'll put this motherfucker in. Hopefully I have a... Oh, man. Fuck. Okay, wait. Hold on. Let me see who I got. Let me see who I got at the moment. Let me put this motherfucker in. Yeah. That's nice. Who else did I get? Okay, bro, shitty ass packs. I swear to God, shitty ass packs, bro. Shitty ass packs, man. Bro, fuck this, man. Fuck this, bro. Let me just, bro, let me clear this motherfucker for a second. I just wanna, okay, hold up. Fuck, man, I swear to God, that's a shitty ass pack, bro. Shitty ass packs, bro. What the fuck was that, bro? What the fuck? What the fuck, man? Okay, fuck. I'm back. Fuck. Ay, ay. Fuck it. Okay. Lewandowski, عطيه. ايوه. Wait. Go. روح. طير. Oh my God.
Ay, bro.
Dumbass, you think you're gonna score me like that, bitch ass, huh?
أعطي باص أوكي.
أعطي باص تاني. أوه لك ليش؟
Okay, hold up. Fuck that, man. Fuck this, man. What the fuck?
يلا يا ابن Bro, I swear a lot in Arabic, so don't mind me if I fucking swear like too much, you know what I mean? This game pisses the fuck out of me, bro. Like, تعال هون! Oh my God. Dumbass! He's a fucking idiot, bro. He's an idiot. Dumb fuck. He's a dumb fuck. That's what he is, bro. Okay, wait. Chill. My hands are fucking sweating, bro. Oh my. Look how? What the fuck is he trying to do? جو طير يلا يا ميسي اعطي باص جول ليفاندوسكي يا حمار
ليش bro, why the fuck is he standing on me?
نعم هاو That's it man. That's it. اي برو. لا ليش تهنيك يا ابن الحرام يا ابن الشتين. Oh my God. يا ابن الحرام يا ابن الجحش يا ابن الشتين Bitches, how trying to score the same shit on me again and again. What the fuck is my player doing, man? How the fuck was he in offside? What the fuck? Nah, this game's stupid. I swear to God, this game's stupid. This game is fucking stupid. I'ma sit there and fucking replay, bro. This game is fucking stupid, man. Yeah, dumbass bitch. Oh my. روح طير. لك ليش يا ميسي what the fuck was that, man? You can't pass straight, man. That's it. لا يا ليفاندوسكي why did you? Oh my God, bro. Oh my God, man. طير 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 طير, طير. We're gonna do the remontada. Wallahi, it's gonna be a good remontada if I just focus for a second, bro. If I just fucking focus for a second, it's gonna be the best remontada ever, bro. Holy fuck, that's good. This game is good. This game is fucking sick, bro. I love this game, bro. But this game is a bullshit, full of bullshit, bro. Nice. لا ليش ميسي اعطي ليفا يا ليفا لك يا ليفا no nice نعم يلعن أبوك. How the fuck did he go between my defense like that, man? Bro, I should be ashamed. I swear to God, I should be fucking ashamed. ليفا يا ابن الحرام! You can't fucking control the ball on me right now? You can't fucking control it? يلعن. طير ليفا هذه لك يا ليفا باس يا ليفا. شو هالباس يا ابن الحرام لك؟ ليش هالباسات ليه؟ يا الله ما عم يعرفوا يعطوا باس. يلا عمو يلا ليفا or Messi, whoever was that was ass. Fella, he's trying to play on me. He's dumb asshole. Nice, that's it. Nice. Nice. يا الله يا الله. ايوه I can't get through his defense. I can't get through his defense. I can't. He can يلعن. After what? Look, he's gonna waste time right now. He's gonna fucking waste time. That's what he's gonna do. This bitch. Yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. You trying to score, bitch? It's just... Bro. طير. We can get him. طير. لك اعطي بوس. اعطي باص بص ايوه لا وين خلاص it's gone it's fucking gone bro it's gone man it's fucking gone bro يلعن حظي على هاللعبة يا زلمة. You look at my impression, look at my face bro, look at my face, you see that shit bro? That's how I can't even speak right now, I don't know what to say bro. That's how I fucking look after playing this fucking game. That's how I fucking look after playing this game bro. Oh man, oh my god, nice, we fucking lost it. Nice.